Hey there, I'm Cindy Joheim, and you may recognize me from a previous video last year where I talked about my experience curating a miniature fossil museum for our campus. Well, I'm super excited to tell you this project is not only continuing, but it's growing into something even better. So let's flash forward back to today. Since last year, thanks to much help from the university, donors, and so many awesome people, my initial miniature museum is being incorporated into the UA Little Rock Natural History Museum, coming to campus very soon. My project now is focusing on getting people excited for the museum. To do that, I'm assembling an interactive fossil display on the first floor of the Ottenheimer Library as a sneak peek for what's to come. This display is based on the geologic principle of superposition, which illustrates how layers of rocks form over time, with the oldest layers at the bottom and the youngest layers at the top. Accordingly, I've placed fossils from life's beginnings, like these ancient sea scorpions, at the bottom of the display, and more recent fossils, like this fearsome saber-toothed cat, at the top. As you can see from my lovely sign, this display is still in progress, but I hope to have it complete very soon, so stop by the library when you have a chance. Okay, thanks, bye!